Good morning, guys. This is my second day after the warts removal. As you can see, medyo reddish pa siya. Reddish. Ang dami, no? See? Reddish pa siya. Pero medyo itchy. May a little itchiness. May little itchiness. Tapos, okay naman siya. After one day, hindi mo na mararamdaman yung yung parang little pain. Yan lang. Hindi na siya mahapdi ngayon. Yan. It's good. Bye-bye!